G'day guys, Greg here. Now, today I'm on my way to Domino's because they've brought out a new product called a GIANT Doughnut. And when I first saw it, I thought, oof, there's no way I'm eating that thing. But you guys in the comments sort of convinced me that I probably should go and have it because a lot of you wanted me to go and try it. So anyway, who am I to argue with you guys? So I'm going to whip inside, grab one, suss it out and see what it's like. So let's go. Alright, well here we go. The new GIANT Doughnut. $7 this cost. And it does come in a few different flavours. There's the original glaze, sprinkles, choc crumble and cookie crumb. Now the choc crumble and cookie crumb cost an extra $1, so they're $8 each. But I got the sprinkle GIANT Doughnut today because when I looked at them, they all had the glaze anyway, so I thought I might as well get some sprinkles. I've got the scales. Let's see how much this thing weighs. But first, how about we just see what it looks like? Can't wait. Whoa, dudes! That looks pretty good! Except it doesn't look anything like it does in the picture. In the picture, it's got like this beautiful glaze all over it. Oh, mate, that looks good. But this one, where's the glaze? Well, I'll tell you where it went. It's because it is a hot thing. It's hot and it has melted into this pizza dough, whatever it is. Donut, that's it. It's melted into it, so I'll excuse you for that. Now, oh, it's come off, and, well, I did want to see how much it weighs. I'll weigh it without the box. Let's turn this bad boy on. Alright, so you're looking at 189 grams for this. Now stick it back in here, and on the website it says that it's 16 centimeters wide. So let's take a look. Okay, well, mine's about nearly 17 and a half centimeters.
That's what she said.
I love it when it's bigger than what you expect it to be.
That's what she said.
It does look pretty good though, and it smells amazing. The smell coming off it smells absolutely delicious. Now I probably should have thought a little bit harder before I ordered the one with sprinkles, because these sprinkles are just falling off everywhere and already going throughout my car. But at least I think the mouse will be happy. Won't you, buddy? Now I am wondering if it is sweet though. I know the sugar-coated icing should be sweet, but will this be? Well, I know it's going to be a little bit greasy because look at the bottom of the box. Beautiful sight that is. And underneath the pizza, oh, is that my hair? I certainly hope so. Well, or not really. I mean, I need to try and keep as many as I can. But underneath this, well, it's looking beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it smells good. Let's try this crust. Slightly sweet. I nearly thought it was going to be sweeter, but it's actually less sweet than what I was anticipating. And there you can see the inside of the crust there. It's light and fluffy, and it's a little bit thinner than your finger. Tastes okay though. Alright, well let's dive on in. Yeah. Kind of a little bit doughy, but not too bad. You kind of want it to be a little bit doughy, don't you? Considering it's called a doughnut. But yeah, this is pretty good. That bite then, when I went to bite it, my tongue hit there. I got a little bit of saltiness. I'm not sure if it's maybe from the pan they cook it in, it's got a little bit of saltiness, or might be leftover on the conveyor belt or something. But yeah, I mean, it's not too bad. And what's left of the icing sugar, nice and sweet. The sprinkles taste okay. Seems to be going down a treat. And you can see that the icing hasn't really soaked into the bread at all. It does still sit on top. I'm actually quite enjoying this, and I'm nearly at the hole. That's what she said. Yeah, I know. But I wonder what score I'll give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $7 for this one. It's about 180, 190 grams, but the size of it is pretty good. I mean, if you went to a fancy donut shop, you're probably paying $7 or $8 anyway for a fancy donut. So value-wise, I think it's pretty good. Flavour-wise, well, the flavour of this is not too bad, actually. I'm quite enjoying it. The crust on it's nice. It's got a slight bit of sweetness, and well, it's a little bit sugary and flavourful enough. The dough pastry is pretty good. It's light and fluffy. It can get a little bit doughy in your mouth, but that's sort of what you want. And all up, I thought it was pretty tasty. The toppings, well, the toppings look pretty good. They're very consistent, and it's been well topped, that's for sure. Hasn't got the glaze like it does show in the picture, but the glaze is still there. It's just soaked in from the heat of the donut. It smells good. It tastes good. The price is good. Mate, I'm enjoying it. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Giant Doughnut from Domino's, I think this deserves a... a 420 out of 10. No, I'll make it a 7.9 out of 10. It's actually pretty tasty. It's a little bit salty though in some areas, but I mean, sometimes, you know, you like that salt and sweet together, and well, the toppings on it were plentiful. It was way bigger than what I was expecting, and the flavour, I think probably, well, it was probably about what I was expecting, but it was still a decent flavour. And well, if you're going to get a pizza and you wanted some dessert, mate, this is perfect. And for $7, it's pretty good value, and I reckon if you did go on, you're going to enjoy it. Well, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat at Domino's. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger licking. Ooh yeah.
Oh, g'day, mate. You want some Domino's pizza dough?
Two out of 10.